I have never done this before, I don't know what to do.
No.
What do we do? Oh yes, it's Frank. It's Frank the sparrow. Don't know why.
Well, hello now. Something most interesting has just happened. I was out here in the shed giving a bit of a tidy up, and I found a baby starling that had fallen out of the nest just up in the corner, and had fallen out the nest, and so the mother had abandoned it. So we thought we would come and save it and try and feed it up till it's ready to fly off, and then release it back into the wild. So we had the sparrow, or starling, whatever type of bird it was. I think that was the mother coming flying around. For about 3 days. We fed it mealworms, bugs, worms. We thought it was getting a bit stronger, and then one night we lost it. It's nature. We gave it the best start we possibly could. Didn't quite make it. Oh well, that's nature for you.
After the winter cold has taken quite a few of our quail, and one of them escaped, we only have 4 females and a male left. Or is it 3 females and a male?
3 females.
3 girls and a boy. But today we found all these eggs just hidden under the buckets. And so we're so excited. Obviously not all of them would have been laid recently, so we're going to do a dunk test. But look how many.
It's amazing how they hide them in little burrows.
That's right. They dig a little hole. So we're planting some beans in the quail cage. And then we're going to put some hanging baskets in there with some peas. See how it goes?